So Deva.Guru offers a number of tiered pricing solutions if you want to use the software. Now you can go ahead and click on Start My Free Trial, this little button here, and you can actually start using the software for a limited time period and get a full idea of the functionality and whether or not it's right for you. That being said, going forward after the trial, you have three different options available to you. There's the Kala edition, which is going to be free forever. For as long as Deva.Guru exists, this will be available to you. This contains all the simple bells and whistles that you would need to get started using the software. You can see all of the three main Vargas, the D1, the D9, and the D60. You can have all the planetary information, all the Panchanga, and basic dashas. You can calculate all the arudas, configure your chakras to show degrees on grahas, and you have access to the four main chart styles. For more information on the chart styles, there'll be another video on that. Just scroll down until you find it. And for the atlas, which is when you're entering the birth data, there's over 5.1 million locations. So this is really enough to get you started. For those who want a little bit more functionality, there's the Vela edition, and this has everything that's in the Kala edition, plus you're able to save charts. And you have access to the Shodashamsha Vargas, which is the 16 main Vargas mentioned by Parashara. All of those will be available to you. You'll have additional planetary information, more Panchanga configuration and functionality, and the Vimshotri dashas can be calculated from different Tara points. Bala information, you have access to personalized Muhurta, search features. You can, in addition to the regular atlas, you can pinpoint specific locations using latitude and longitude. You can configure chakras to show nakshatra padas. You can import charts from other software, specifically Jagannath Hora and Sri Jyoti Star, and you can save your custom settings. Now, if that's not enough for you and you want a little bit more, it's a little bit more expensive, but you can get access to the Hora edition, and this will unlock all of the features and functionality. In addition to being able to save, you can save up to 10,008 charts, which will probably be more than any average astrologer needs. You have access to all of the different types of chakras, so Rashi chakra, Bhava chakra, and Bhava Chalita. You have access to 41 different Vargas, more planetary information, including all of the Vishesha Lagnas, Ashtaka Varga, Varnada for every house, Amsha Devatas, all of the dashas, all of the arudas, all of the balas, the graha and sputa drishti, panchanga, everything is in there. The tithi pravesha. You can print view. You can use a print view and multiple slide layouts. It's all there, folks. So that one is the one that I recommend, obviously for more seasoned astrologers. So if you're a student of the Parampara of Sri Achyutananda Das through Sanjay Rath, whether you're studying Parashara Jyotisha or the Jaimini Scholar Program, this is going to be the version that you're going to want to gravitate to. So to start an account, you're going to want to click on Start My Free Trial, this little button here. Then you'll be able to put in a email address and a password. From there, you'll get sent a welcome email and you'll be an unverified account. From there, an email will be sent to you and then you can get started with access to the website. So now let's assume you're in your trial account. You say, okay, Joey, I know enough about Deva.Guru now. I want to subscribe. You can go back to this pricing tab up at the top right, and it will bring up these additional buttons where you can purchase the Vela edition, or you can get the Hora edition. You can pay for it on a monthly basis, on a 6-month basis, or you can just buy it on a yearly basis. From there, you can get started at your leisure and access the account from whatever device you need.